Pull.
Yes, puff of dust.
Ooh.
Yes. Oh.
No?
Yeah. Pull.
Yes.
Spot on. When he's spot on, he's
Then
spot
my
on.
last shot, can I try? Ooh.
When he gets the right gun.
You want it a little bit lower down? Right? You got him?
Pull. Whoa. It didn't work the first. I pulled the trigger, but when I went to pull it, it didn't work.
He just likes to shoot it twice.
You can open it.